Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more haircut ideas. So here we have someone with a bob style. Looks like she wants to switch it up to something different. Wow. Oh, this is so pretty, so chic and modern. She got a nice shape up here with some curtain bangs and then a few pops of peekaboo platinum on both sides. This is such a cute and edgy style. Loving this transformation. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we move on to the next hair transformation. Oh, curly bob haircut. Now this has been a very popular hair choice for the curly girls this year. Such a cute style idea. And then we have this gorgeous pumpkin spice fall color. This is absolutely breathtaking. I love the color copper trend for the hair. I just think it looks so beautiful. Oh, beautiful shoulder length cut. I love the fact that she went with like the all gray hair. This is stunning. So she did have some gray coming in at the roots and she decided to go all gray, just embrace her gray hair. This is stunning. Next up, we see a cute little Peter Pan pixie cut. I love how much volume she has here. Such a cute, fun, playful style. Very carefree and low maintenance. And then we move into another hair transformation. So she starts off with mid-length hair and decides to get a nice shaggy pixie bob style. Very cute. And this is another highly requested hair trend that we are going to be seeing in 2024. Very chic style here. Next up, we have another hair transformation. This one looks like a layered haircut in the works. Curtain bangs to frame out the face, really creating a nice amount of shape and texture to the hair. Very nice. Now this is a subtle little hair change that you can make if you want to do something simple with your strands. Very nice. And then it looks like we have another bob haircut transformation. She's got the money piece highlights going there in the front. Oh, this is stunning. I absolutely love the way that the color looks with this bob. Hair is much longer in the front versus the back, really creating a lot of volume and shape. Breathtaking transformation. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.